We have an unboxing today. This was very special. This was a pre-order that we ordered quite some time ago, and it came in today. This is part of the new line that just launched, I think on Friday yesterday at Louis Vuitton. We pre-ordered this a while ago, and our store didn't get really anything from this line, so it was really exciting that I was able to pick this up because everyone in the store was really excited to see it too, because they didn't get any of this product in the store. Brooks at the Nashville boutique took great care of us, as she always does, so this is really fun. It's a really pretty bag. Let's get it out of its dust bag here. Oh, it's so pretty. This is the Soft Speedy Eden version. Just came out today, or yesterday rather. It's a 30 size Speedy, and it's got this beautiful floral print with the lighter colored monogram. And it's got a nice little, where is it, Louis Vuitton signature here within different parts of the canvas. These straps are a dark chocolate brown. The website actually calls them black, but it's probably hard to see in this video, but they are a chocolate brown color. It's really pretty, a color that I've not really seen before. We got our hot stamp today with the different Louis Vuitton symbols here. It's got the little key holder and the lock up here on the zippers. Comes with, because it's a Soft Speedy, it comes with this great little shoulder strap, which I just absolutely love. I'll put her on here. And the inside is a lighter tan microfiber. Really pretty soft color, very neutral. And it has a zip pocket on the inside, just one zip pocket. And just really pretty. It's got gold hardware. If you've never gotten your bags hot stamped, it's really fun. You can get all kinds of things on here. You can get a little Vivian, you can get the carousel horse, you can get a heart, you could get your initials or your name, depending on, you know, the length of your name. You could get whatever you want hot stamped on your bag. They'll usually do it in the store. Nashville always does it right while you wait. Sometimes other stores, you need to give them a day or two, but it's always fun to get a little personalization on your bag. But just a really pretty bag. The colors are so vibrant, the bluish green colors and the pinks of the flowers. Just a really pretty bag, something very special that not anyone else will have. I don't think anyone else at Nashville has this bag. I'm the only one that got one in on pre-order. So you can actually still order it on louisvuitton.com. It's available still. I don't think they made very many of these, so if you were interested, I'd go grab one before they sell out. But just a super pretty bag. Kind of match with a lot of things. Really pretty for the summer and spring. It's got that nice short strap that puts it right on your shoulder there very nicely. So I'm really excited to have this bag. It's just very unique and colorful and a really pretty bag. So hope you like it. Please check out our website, louisinthewild.com, for more Louis Vuitton reviews and history and all kinds of fun information. And give us a follow and a like. Thanks.